Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. On this video I'm going to be showing you how to bake this antipasto, like Italian call it, and it's appetizer. So it's made with zucchini, onion, egg, and the rest of the ingredients. So if you want to see how I made this, keep watching. It's going to be perfect for your Christmas dinner, lunch, or whatever it is. So let's get to the ingredients, guys. If you don't get the ingredient, check the description. Okay, so this is like pasta paste. I'm going to be using thyme, rosemary, and nutmeg, fresh zucchini, salt, egg, vegetable oil or olive oil, some cheese. If you don't like parmigiano, you can use any cheese that you love. Okay, so I've already sliced the zucchini, as you can see there. So I'm going to go ahead now to fry them. But if you don't want to fry your zucchini, bake them in the oven, or you can throw them in there fresh. And I season the zucchini with salt and black pepper before frying them. Okay, so I'm going to fry the both sides of the zucchini until they are brown. That is what I'm doing here. So moving over to the egg, the zucchini is still frying. I'm going to crack the egg into the bowl. You can use as much egg as you want. Okay, I'm using 4 for this recipe. So I'm also going to be using fresh milk. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of parmesan. You can use any cheese of your choice, or you can skip the cheese part if you don't want cheese. So I'm using a 1/4 cup of fresh milk. Now I'm adding some nutmeg, a little bit rosemary, and a little bit of thyme as well. Then pinch of salt and black pepper. You can use any seasoning of your choice. You can even put a Maggi cube, like stock cube, inside, just to your taste. So I'm going to go ahead now to whisk everything together. Like, just go ahead, whisk them until they form cream, until you know that they are all combined. So moving over to the zucchini again, I'm taking out the last batch of the zucchini out of the oil. So now that is done. Now I'm going to be adding my prepared pastry pasta into this casserole. You can use any casserole of your choice. I just want to use this one, aluminium one that I don't have to wash, but you can use the one you have. Okay, so I'm going to place them over that casserole. Then I'm going to open them with a fork, just round, as you can see me doing there. After doing that, I'm going to add the egg mixture. Now I'm going to start adding the zucchini, all the zucchini into that. Okay, I use 3 little zucchini, like 3 small zucchini, but one big zucchini can be enough for you. So I'm done adding the zucchini. Now I'm adding my sliced onion. The onion will give it extra flavor, like the onion takes it to another level. So now I'm done. I've already preheated my oven at 180. So I'm going to place this into the oven, allow them to cook for 20 to 25 minutes, or until you know that they are this gorgeous color. Okay, look at that, very gorgeous. So this is the final result. You can enjoy it. Like I said, it's antipasto, which is appetizer. Make it for your guests, for family. They will love it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in my next video. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Share this video. Bye.